Today I am making mixed berry poppy seed protein balls that are going to taste amazing. Like, trust me on that, okay? They're just going to taste amazing. I am making them because it's quick and easy when you just want a snack that has some protein in it, so it makes you feel full longer and more full throughout the day, because you don't want to be feeling really crappy. You don't want to be feeling like you had no protein in your body. And it's a great way to eat a snack if you don't have time to make a breakfast. You just grab a couple of the balls and you just shove them in your mouth and you eat them and you're good to go. So I'm going to show you what the ingredients are that you need to create this yummy, delicious protein balls. So the first thing you're going to need is 3 scoops of protein powder, whichever one you're going to use. I'm using mixed berry because since it is mixed berry protein balls, that's what you're going to need. So that's about 90 grams, in case you don't know. 3 scoops, 90 grams of protein powder, half a cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of black poppy seed, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of sugar, 6 tablespoons of water, and 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. The very first thing you're going to do is mix your protein powder, your oats, your poppy seeds, your sugar, and your lemon zest. And you're going to whisk it all up until it is combined fully. Smells amazing already. There we go. It is combined fully, as you can see. It is all combined. Now you're going to add in your lemon juice and your water. But not all of it. You're going to add half of it first because you want to mix these up. Okay? Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty if you have to. Okay, now as you can see, it is clumpy. You don't want it clumpy. You want small little balls. So if it's not clumping, okay, then you have to add more water into it. Now, one thing you need to know about this protein powder, if you're not using plant-based protein powder, this will not work at all. I repeat, this will not work at all if you are not using plant-based protein powder, because whey protein will not clump together and solidify. It will actually just be all crumbly and powdery, and it won't work at all. So, here we go. We're going to add more water. Because you want that to solidify. Well, you want it to get all, not gooey, but more wet and clumpy. Now you see, this is where I'm going to use my hand, because it will be so much easier now. See, it's still crumbly. That means you need more water. You just keep adding water until it is nice and solidified. Well, until it's more gooey than anything. See how that is? That's great consistency. See, you want it like this. Gooey. So now what you're going to do is you're going to roll these into small little balls. Okay? Just like that. Small little balls. You're going to put them in a container that you can put in the fridge, because you're going to have to freeze these for 30 minutes. Okay? Just like that, small little balls. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done in the container that I'm going to be using to freeze it all. Now this is what it looks like when it's done. Okay, they're going to fall, but you can get about 12 to 15 of them out of this recipe, and each one, okay, each one, let's see, I'm going to use my phone for this because I'm not sure how many grams of protein are in each one, but in each scoop there is 60 grams. So in each scoop, I mean, there's 20 grams in each scoop. So if there's 20 grams in each scoop, so that would be 60 divided by how many balls you have, divided by 13, okay, will equal about 4.61 grams. So 4.5 grams of protein in each ball you're getting, which isn't so bad for a ball. I mean, literally, you go to the store and you get maybe 2 grams, maybe 3, maybe 4 if lucky, but we're getting 4.5 grams. That is great. Now that the 30 minutes are over, it is time to try them, but you can see they are more solidified than they were before. Okay, so I'm going to try one and tell you how it is when I try it. So here we go to try one of the protein balls. Smells very good, to be honest. Smells very fruity. Well, yeah, fruity, because it's berries. Still moist inside, that's okay. Not bad at all. To be very honest, not bad at all. I really like it. But I think it has to be frozen just a little bit more, because they're still a little too mushy inside. And you don't want them mushy. You want them to taste really good. You want them to be more hard, so that they're more tasty, more enjoyable, so they don't fall over the place. You just want them to be solidified. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching this video of me creating berry poppy seed protein balls. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there. Again, I'm horrible today with words. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. Also, hit that thumbs up button, share, hit that thumbs up button, squash it, smash it, high five it, do whatever you have to hit that thumbs up button. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And also, don't forget to comment below. Please, I've asked you many times in many different videos, please comment below. If I've asked you to do that, please do that. Comment below what about baking food, or like baking whatever thing you want, or whatever food you want me to create for you, so that I can show you how to do it in a different way than maybe you're used to, or maybe in a total different way that you've never seen before. Also, remember, you guys are awesome, you guys are amazing, you're one of a kind, you're beautiful, and thank you so much for being part of Cooking Squad. And remember, the most important thing is keep calm and bake on.